It's working alright. Sounds nice. There's the name. That's the compressor if you can't see it. The date. There's wood on it. It's a compressor. That has not been running. Here's the Carrier Infinity running. It's got a blanket. That line's really sweaty. Look at that. It's ice cold. Sounds nice. I can't tell what type of motor is that, but there is. Here's a Goodman right here. One of the 4-bladed ones. Come on, focus. Up and scroll. There's the data. You can barely see it. Not been running. Another ring. Finally got the name back here. Hang on. Emerson couple scrolls. Same as the other one. And the one just blew blades around.
What are you doing, hon?
Just filming the air units.
Why?
We got a YouTube channel about it.
Huh?
We got a YouTube channel about it. Where's the data?
Well, I don't know.
There was a really old 1998. I'm pretty sure it's from 1996. I don't know. Pain. Teardrop unit. Years all over it. Copeland reciprocating compressor. That's not been running. It's from 1996. That's an online scroll. And the best news is, this is a heat pump. Not been running. No data or nothing. Good picture of it. Here's a train running. It does not sound good at all. Yes. No. Yeah. It does not sound good. I might be in heat mode, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. I was supposed to service that, to be honest. So, yeah, I think that's running in heat mode. It should not be running in heat mode. It's 80 degrees. Yeah, it's in heat mode. What in the world? Why is it in heat mode? Wait, I might be tripping. Oh no, that's the hot line. No, it is in cool mode. It is in cool mode. I thought it was in heat mode for a moment. The line's barely cold though. Yeah, I probably just caught a unit dying. That sucks. That's running. Over there is a Linux Elite series. I'm not going to go up to it because they don't want me to go up there. But anyways, there's a little robin right there. If I can get a good view of that thing. Shoot. There's a Goodman over there. His day and night series. It looks exactly the same as that Brian at my friend's house. I think I got an LG scroll compressor. Except for fan motor. Brown ocean fan motor. There's the data. This thing sounds really nice. And that's freezing cold. That's not warm though. This thing's still working great though. Get a good picture of that. Here's a Fraser Johnston. I think this is like a York. Yeah, this is a York LX series. I think that's a Bristol. This is it for that. That has not been running. Here's a Payne unit. This is one of my favorite units that I've ever heard. So I got the unit running, but the owner came out, so I have enough time to get the data or the compressor, but whatever. Here's an Air Ace Concept 10 series running. Copeland recip. Dead is fitted. That is freezing cold. Alright. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I remember the date from that paint over there that I got filmed for like a second, but I think I remember the date. It was from 2010. So 2010 or 2012. That air ace over there was pretty sure it's from 1996. There's a Train XE. Pretty sure it's a 1000 series. I don't know. With a very old clumped up recip. I'm pretty sure this is one of the metal dates. Yes, it is. 1990. Sorry about that. There's dogs in the background. Quick picture of that thing. Here's a, I'm pretty sure it's like a Weathermaker or something. Nordine. Don't know what type of scroll it is. Not been running. Alright, I'm riding my Master Shock e-scooter to go to a different neighborhood to film more central area units up. At my friend's. Oh gosh, that's a bum. Alright, switch hands, switch hands. That way I can just use the throttle a little bit. Some of my friends at the park. Might meet them, I don't know. That's a bump. The scooter has no suspension. Alright. What's up? Sneeze, man. What's up? There's a little duck over there. Alright, I just got a duck film. One of the ducks kind of like attacked one of my friends from Eastern, so he didn't get hurt or nothing. So I'm glad for that. Alright, but we're here in the other neighborhood. We'll get some more central area units filmed. And we're going to start with I'm going to start with those Linuxes are not running. We'll start with those two. So over here we got like two GMC units, a 3-ton and a 4-ton. Oh, dag, they're not running. That sucks. That's a couple scroll. Wait, has this one been running? No. There's Daddy. That one has some running. Copeland scroll. 4 blades. This one has 3 blades. This one has 4 blades. Dead on that thing. It's a tall looking meter. Alright, let's get back to the scooter. Alright. Hold on, let me get my friend Amish. Alright, so I brought a special guest with me riding the scooter, so.
Special guest?
I'm recording a video. I really met my friend.
Where are you gonna go?
I don't know, like.
Maybe that park?
Oh, shoot.
Oh, that park?
No, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go there today. Huh? Like, it's also Friday, so they might.
Wait, one second. Come here. But there's no school today, remember?
Yeah.
No school today?
Man, okay, hang on. A non-suspension scooter. Alright, so, where am I? Alright. Get a view of these two units. This is new Trinix R series. Really nice line scroll. Gentech fan motor. That line's going crazy. That's a Copeland scroll. I'm not sure if it's running. Neither of them are running. Alright, so barely any is running. Show my friend Amish. I'm not doing what he's doing because I'm more protective of my scooter. That's a bum. God. Dang. Scooter needs suspension. Alright, let's go. They're already up ahead of me, but I'm gonna catch up. No big deal. This does actually why. Here we go. I'm on full throttle. I'm already catched up.
There's not a border. Well, you want this car? Because this gives me fast. Nah, you really think I crossed the border and actually go without that all in 2 hours? No, it's not. It's like an hour to get there by plane, an hour to get back. That's already 2 hours, and then it takes like an hour to eat and an hour to wait. So that'd be like 4 hours.
Nice clean motor.
When they say they're just gonna have a little thing. Remember when you being me when I say we're gonna have a little thing? And you're like, if you go to the
There we go, now we're picking up the pace.
Their cats have more money than I do. Exactly, bro. Did you know this dog is a millionaire? Yeah, you haven't supposed to, bro. How does that dog have more money than you? It will make you feel good. You have more money than my dad. I know, bro. A dog shouldn't even feed that much. A dog shouldn't even get anything. Exactly. Like, they get, well, technically,
Look at that. Okay, now we're picking up the pace. There's a 1986 playing Cool Cube over there.